Here's how to add sprinting to your Unreal character in under 2 minutes. First, create an input action mapping for sprint with trigger hold. This means action will only be valid while the action key is being held down. Also, reduce the threshold for the hold to avoid delay in input activation. Now, let's add this input to input mapping context and assign a key for sprinting there. In character blueprint, get IA sprint event and make two variables to handle the speeds. One for sprinting and one for, you guessed it, walking. Assign the values to variable as per your requirements. For me, it will be 200 and 500 respectively. Also, in character movement component, search for max walk speed and reduce it to walk speed that suits your character. For me, that is again 200. Lastly, drag the character movement component and from it, call for set max walk speed. Whenever the sprint event is triggered, set it to your sprint speed variable and on completion, set it back to walk speed variable. Voila! There you have the sprinting system ready to go.